What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Today we are with Tash with his S3. Dude, I want an S3. Even the steering wheel's the latest upgrade. That's new.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah. I'm gonna say it makes a big difference.
Oh yeah.
Even just makes it feel like a new car.
This is that's efficiency.
Okay.
So we'll
Nah, it's perfect, dude.
Into dynamic quickly. Finish that off.
That's the thing, it's enough because it's a sports car and it's like you say, it's not too in your face.
I mean, this is dynamic, no valves, no resonator.
Perfect.
And you can still drive through.
Like any day of the week.
Yeah, you just put your foot down.
Ooh, that's a big difference,
Yep.
eh? Ooh, that's good. Oh, yes, please. That's good, dude.
I
That's
want to go
good.
left. Last time we went left, it was that nice
cool.
one.
Yeah. I like that actually. It's got that like.
So the tone of a Miltek is very different. I don't know if it's the material.
Dude, it's always blown my mind on like how exhausts are pretty much made out of the same material, but like different brands.
Exactly.
Completely different. Bro.
So I took it back to Collab.
Okay. Because they did your.
They did the Pops and Bang map.
Okay.
And I told that owner Rahul, I told him it's a bit much.
Yeah. Dude, it was obnoxious.
Yeah, it was really. So that, and with the full exhaust, it was really loud. So I told him just do a bubble like towards the end of the range, you know.
Yeah. You get it when you want it.
Yeah. So like when you're driving in the area, you know, like I mean, you just let off. It's around 3,000 miles where it.
Get you. Perfect.
And it's not all the time.
Yeah.
Because it's so low down.
Exactly.
Like, there's a whole thing that needs to play.
Yeah. Dude, proper. I love that sound though, dude.
See, and then you do get a little pop.
Yeah.
Depending on how you're driving.
Perfect.
But the best is when you go through residential areas.
Oh, dude.
So loud.
Exactly. Oh, dude. That sounds perfect. Now
you understand. It's worth the money. It's a lot,
dude.
but I mean.
Yeah. Because now here's the thing. I have officially hit it hard now when I want an S3 again, dude. I went through a stage where I was like, nah, you know what, let me just chill with my car. Dude, I want an S3, dude. Yo.
It is the best decision you'll ever make in your life.
Dude, that's what I've been told. That's what I've been
in your life.
Oh, yes. There's my brothers here at the car wash. That's the thing. There's not much content on YouTube with specific builds. You know, let's say you compare an S3 versus a Golf R, the amount of content on a Golf R
is a lot more,
like 10 times the S3.
With the S3, even if you look at in this country, there's not a lot of guys really build. I mean, there's a few, like Collab got one, like that grey one, and it's a full build, you know. But I mean, no one really. Everybody goes for the Golf R, where the S3 is like forgotten, and it's the same car. It's like a little bit bigger,
pretty much, and it's slightly faster.
Slightly faster, yeah.
The thing is, for Audi, right? The S3 is one below an RS3. For Golf R, that's pretty much the top level. So I think that also has something to do with it. Like if people are gonna buy an S3 and
there's always room
hybrid,
for
exactly. But that's the thing, dude. S3 is an S3, dude.
I mean, it's such a this has been like a dream car of mine for like years. Like now, like there's plans to go like hybrid with this thing, stage 3 now. Looking at companies that can you know, can give me a proper turbo without blowing, reliability. You know that.
Because that's what you need. Because the S3 is a daily car.
Exactly. And I mean, your fuel consumption. If I tell you, like with this driving here, like
the last time we made a video.
Okay, it's doing 22. I was driving like a but like the other day we were hitting like 40 liters, and we were like driving.
Okay, that's good, dude. That's good.
So it's not so bad. Ask any S3 owner. They'll tell you it's one of the best cars that you can buy.
But that's
value
the thing.
For money.
You don't buy it for the fuel consumption as well.
Exactly. If you just want a daily, a stock S3 is going to do that. It's quick enough. But I mean,
exactly.
If you want that noise,
dude, we're still young, bro. We have to have that stuff.
Put an exhaust on, put a downpipe.
Yes.
put an intake, intercooler in stage 2, and you're moving.
And the thing is, it's not over the top. It is still a luxury car.
Exactly.
That is flipping quick.
Exactly. Okay, like, I mean, look at this car. It's got the standard comfort seats. It's got a little sway, but you get the like sport seats.
Yeah.
You know.
I must say, the one thing that I would want is the digital dash, bro.
Yeah. But it's a nightmare to retrofit. Like, you have to cut your dash and everything.
Serious?
Yeah, it's a bitch to do.
Even the seats, like, these are hella comfortable. Are these the seats that came with the car?
Yeah.
And you haven't done anything. I thought this was new.
No. That's how it comes. Okay. So I do want to change the seats to the sport seats.
Okay.
Or the Recaro seats.
Yeah. Those bucket seats.
Yeah. I had one, but I got rid of it.
How come?
Because I only had one. I only had one, not a set.
Uneven, huh?
This guy was letting me stop.
Yeah, he wasn't going to.
And he still wasn't going to stop.
And he moans at you, bro. For what? Hey, dude, that's why people on these roads, dude.
There is something else.
It's not a stop free for us.
Exactly.
It's a stop free for him, so he must wait. Dude. Dude, it sounds so good. Oh. Yeah, dude. S3's the one, dude.
It's the one.
You're selling me, and I'm already sold.
Even my cousin, I made him drive it the other day, and he's like hooked.
Is it?
He's like, every time, you know, he makes up his mind.
Yeah.
And I come along, and I'm like, drive it.
Yeah.
Because for me, I always say it's all about the experience. So like, let everybody enjoy, you know, the experience.
Definitely.